back to yet another Greek basics video where we go over fundamental aspects of Greek. Today, we will be looking at 10 must-know words for beginners, and perhaps some of them can help advanced learners as well. For our first word, we have kano. Don't get me started on kano because I have a whole video just dedicated on this word, but it really is one of the most flexible words in Greek. It has many meanings, but we will focus on two of them. First of all, kano means to do, that being its original meaning. Τι κάνεις? What are you doing? Κάνω ό,τι μπορώ. I do what I can. Then we have the meaning of to cost. So if you ask πόσο κάνει, that means how much is it? And you can also say κάνει 15 ευρώ. It costs 15 euros. For our next word we have θα ήθελα. Θα ήθελα is extremely important for beginners because with that you can say I would like and you can use it to request almost anything. Ranging from θα ήθελα ένα καφέ. I would like a coffee. Θα ήθελα ένα σουβλάκι. I would like a souvlaki. Or even θα ήθελα αυτό. I would like this. So as you can see, you can use it in numerous situations. For our next word, we have τι κάνεις, probably one of the most common phrases you will hear in Greek. Τι κάνεις simply means how are you? And if you want the formal version of this, you can simply say τι κάνετε. Yes, it does come from the verb kano, which means to do. These two you will definitely hear a lot. For the fourth word of today, we have another very common word, καλά. Καλά means good, and you can also use it to reply to the question we saw before. Τι κάνεις? Καλά. Which we translate as, how are you? I'm good. The fifth and sixth word I will put together because it makes more sense that way. Let's take a look. For that, we have the word ευχαριστώ and παρακαλώ. Ευχαριστώ means thank you, and παρακαλώ means you're welcome. But παρακαλώ has another meaning. It also means please. So παρακαλώ is both you're welcome and please. Moving on, we have number 7. Με συγχωρείτε. Με συγχωρείτε means excuse me. This one is a little tricky to pronounce since the g in the word is not really pronounced. As if you were to say it properly, you would get something like this. Με συγχωρείτε, which doesn't sound the best. For that reason, we keep it mostly silent, but everything else is pronounced normally. So the proper pronunciation would be με συγχωρείτε. Normally, you can use με συγχωρείτε as you would use the phrase excuse me in English. Next up, we have the word καταλαβαίνω, meaning to understand. For this one, you would also use it as you would in English. Last but not least, we have the words φαγητό and νερό. I figured I would put them together since φαγητό means food and νερό means water. Two essential words for everyday usage. Lastly, we have the word φτιάχνω, to make. I can't stress how important that word is. With it, you can talk about a variety of things, and you can definitely hear it being used every single day. For example, we can combine the word from before, φαγητό, food, and we can say φτιάχνω φαγητό, I'm making food. Now to quickly go over some honorable mentions, we have the words όχι, δεν, ναι, για. Yeah, I'm very sure you've heard of it before, so I'm quickly going to say that it means hello. Όχι means no. Ναι means yes. And then means not. Then goes before verbs. Όχι goes before everything else pretty much. Now if we take the word from before, καταλαβαίνω, to understand, and if we put then in front of it, then καταλαβαίνω, it means I don't understand. Or before the verb kano, then kano, I don't do. Okay, now that was all the words that I wanted to show you today. I know it was a little bit more than 10, but I felt it was needed as they kind of tie with all the other words that we saw, and you can use them to get your point across more easily. Let me know if you want another video like this and tell me which words should also be in this list. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to follow our Instagram account where we post different Greek resources. And yeah, I hope this video did help you. I will see you on the next one. Take care.